Hello guys, this is Abhishek and I am here again. So today we will be learning with how to create a Blink local server in our computer. So before starting all this, you have to install a Java minimum version of 8. I have already installed it. I will show in program files, then Java, and this. You can see JDK 1.8.0. Okay, so it is minimally required. I will give you the link in the description. So install the JDK, and after that you need the files which I will tell you now. So first file what you need is mail.properties. Mail.properties is needed because the Gmail ID and password which you will enter will send you the tokens to your ID. Okay, here you will write your Gmail ID and password. So you will write it. I'm not writing it. So I will also write. So here now I will write it's me. Then it's me heartless at the rate gmail.com. Okay, and here password I will write of the Gmail as I'm teaching you. So I will write it just like that only 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 0. Okay, then you will save it. Okay, then the next step is you have to open the server. So server file. Okay, so server file is this and it's running on 8080 ports. It's default, and the Blink local official website also shows that you have to use 8080 ports at its defaults. Okay, so and you have to look carefully that you don't make any changes in the server.rsl certificate. It should look like this, and server.host and server.path should be left blank. Okay, yeah, so my mail.properties and server.properties files are ready. So now another thing what you do is you have to install this window 64 open ssl. Okay, so I am running a 64-bit computer, so that's why it's 64-bit software. So installing it, the process before I have already installed it. So so you have to look carefully that you should check the open ssl binary directory, not this open or system directory, as it is needed. Then click on next and it will install it. Okay, so I'm not installing it, I have already installed. Okay, so and the next file you need is server 0.25.4. Okay, so and this ssl commands I will tell you later on what is the use of this. So for starting you need these files only. Okay, now what you have to do is move these mail.properties server.properties server 0.25.4 in another folder, and I will recommend you to put in a folder similar to, yeah, so you have to C drive where user, and you have to, if you like, then you can create your own folder as I've created, then Blink server, and then paste the files here. Okay, these admin logs and static files they will generate automatically when you will start this server 0.225.4. Okay, so don't get worried about the admin logs and statics. It will give you the details of the servers and whatever server you are using it. Okay, so now we will, so I don't have tell you. So in this what you have, why we are placing the files in that C user, then Abhishek, then Blink server. It is because from here the server can easily get an administrator right. Okay, so now we have to open CMD. Oh, sorry, I will go close this. Yeah, so open CMD and run it as administrator. It is very important. Yeah, so now what we have to do is we have to move in the this C drive directory. So I will copy the link from here. Okay, and you have to paste it here. Like I will go .cd, then again, no, in another window, then I will type cd and paste the link. Okay, so now we are in users Abhishek Blink server. Okay, so now what we have to do is our mail.properties file is ready, our server is ready. Yeah, and before starting your server, you have to look carefully that your computer or a laptop is connected to a network like that, any Wi-Fi. Okay, it is very important as it will communicate with your phones. Okay, so and you have to look carefully that the Wi-Fi which you are using for internet, okay, the same Wi-Fi you will use it for your in your smartphones. Okay, मतलब आई विल टेल यू इन सिंपल वर्ड्स, जैसे कि अगर आपने अपने लैपी में किसी वाईफाई बट टेक एन एग्जांपल, आपने एक्स वाई जेड से कनेक्ट कर रखा है अपना लैपी, ठीक है, तो आपको अपने फ़ोन में भी उसी एक्स वाई जेड लैपी से उसी एक्स वाई जेड हॉटस्पॉट से कनेक्ट होना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। तो इससे क्या होगा, आपका ईजिली सर्वर क्रिएट हो जाएगा, अदरवाइज आपको बाद में प्रॉब्लम आएगी कि यूज़र ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टेड या अकाउंट ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट वाली प्रॉब्लम आएगी, ठीक है। तो वो आपको नाउ, इसलिए मैं आपको पहले बता दे रहा हूँ, मैं फेस कर चुका हूँ इसीलिए। हाँ, सो नाउ we have to run this one file server. So for running it, you have to type the commands and type it same as I am typing. Okay, like java, then jar server 0.25.4 dot jar slash data folder data folder slash data folder where then path. Yeah, so you can see your Blink server successfully started. All server output is stored in this your log file. ठीक है, ये this path we have used because here our email address and password whatever you are using in the phone will get stored. ठीक है, where it will stored I am showing you in the C drive. C drive, here is a path. Okay, so ये here we will look at it. ठीक है, so yeah, so we have already started the server, and for closing the server you have to use the control plus C command to stop the server. ठीक है, here I am typing command, ठीक है, तो it will stop, but we don't have to stop as we have to continue our video further. And now ठीक है, I am starting it again. Yeah, you can see Blink server successfully started. Okay, now we will move back to our smartphones and I will show you how to easily connect your phones with the server which we have just now created. Okay, yeah guys, so now our server is created, and now another step before going to our app, we have to see our IP. For that, type cmd, open cmd, and then type IP config and take a note of IP4 address. My is 192.168.1.101. Okay. Now we are moving back to our app. Yeah. So it's a Blink app. I'm making this on Android. So you can see I am connected to one Wi-Fi. Mr. Bed Engineer has the same Wi-Fi I was connecting in the laptop. So now you have to click on create new account. Then here you can write any email address, just like I will write xyz@test.com, and password you can use it any, like 123. Then above the sign up option, click on this and it will default be on a Blink local server, Blink server, global server. Then you have to click shift it to custom and write the same IP address as we have seen by in CMD by IP config, and port should be 8443 as default. So now click on OK and then sign up, and you can see cool, we have connected to a new project. Now create a new project just like that. Hello, create. Yeah, so all the tokens will be go to XYZ. Yeah, so here so you can see
my energy level is pretty much good, as local Blink server gives only thousands or 2000s, and every time, just like that, I'm using a joystick, then every time your energy level will decrease. Yeah, so you can see, yeah. So for increasing the energy level again, we you have to go into your PC, and where your email ID is what email ID was stored, as I will show you now. So you are logging in that, and yeah, for confirmation that everything is working fine, you have to click on this buttons and send on email all authentication tokens will send to it your email ID. Okay, as I yeah, token sent to your email ID means it is working fine, as I've created this just like that only. So I xyz, it's not an email address, so I will not receive. Yeah, so you can use your Gmail ID and password, then you will receive your tokens on that only. So it does this. And for increasing energy level, we are moving back to our computer. So for increasing the energy level, you have to firstly stop the server by Control plus C. Yeah, I have stopped the server. Now you can also close this window. Now move back to your mic, this PC. In the C there will be a folder, and the energy and the energy for which you want to increase ID. Just like that, I have to increase the energy level for XYZ at the rate test. So now click on this and add it with the notepad, and then you can see the new value is 99100. So you can change it to one maximum. You can use it maximum. You can change this to 1 lakh. 1 2 3 4 5. Now click on the save button, and now again create the server, and try to log in the app with that ID and same password. Then you will see that your energy level is again increased to 1 lakh. Yeah, so that's it. And guys, one thing I want to tell you, that if you are facing any problem regarding this video, or you have any issue regarding this video, then you can please give your feedbacks or ask your questions in the comment below. Okay? So the similar problems which users are facing, like matlab I think they will face is that the SSL certificate is not working, or or the servers is already started, if the ports are busy, and in app they will, if they will face, then just like that, user is already existed, and they and the application is already getting connecting but not get connected. So if you are facing any problems, any difficulties regarding creating the servers, then please give your feedbacks or ask your questions in the comment. I will make another video on that. So thanks for watching, and if you like the videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channels. Thanks you.